Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat no connection error. So there is actually three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to Snapchat, click on force stop and then go to the data usage right here. Make sure to disable all these options and enable them back again. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it. And the third way and the last one is you have to do one simple thing, which is update your Snapchat. It's very easy, just open the Play Store or the App Store and you will find an update option if you search it for Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.